Now, Sony has had their digital camcorder, the HandyCam, as their go-to line for digital camcorders ever since the mid to early 90s. I think the earliest article I found talking about the HandyCams was back in 93. Very well versatile camcorders ever since. Sony's HandyCam has always been the go-to digital camcorder for beginning filmmakers and people who just want to vlog their experiences and vacations. The HandyCam, my own personal first camera, is the HandyCam 4K gimbal installed. I think it's called the Boss system camera. It's awesome. I love it. I mean, it's 4K. It has a built-in surround sound mic, which is pretty well. That's not. Sony wasn't just up to making miniatures and minis like all other tech companies in the mid-aughts. Always keep to minimizing stuff like most tech companies in the mid-aughts. They dropped their mini HandyCam soon after launch, and in 2008 they came up with a real brain buster. The HandyCam came with 2 cameras, 2 processors for full 3D imaging and 3D video, allowing you to have 3D video without specialized glasses and whatnot. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's freaking, it looks like a... Whoa, where are you going, big fella? We're not done talking about you. However, which I'm sorry, but the 3D craze was like way too overhyped. As a person with glasses and whatnot, I just hate going to watch a 3D movie. It adds very little to the experience and the overall enjoyment of the film, I feel like, outside of spectacle. And making in like this 2008 time just coincides very nicely with whenever 3D TVs were on the rise, and the whole market was just saturated with, hey, we can make 3D accessible to the home market. Everything's now 3D. Movies here, 3D. Oh, Samsung, 3D TVs. Fucking Vizio, 3D TVs. And Sony was not far behind with the their top of the line HandyCam 3D camcorder. However, Sony wanted to market more to that low-lining professional feel that I was talking about earlier with the VX120, which was basically the HandyCam in a more cinema and filmmaking package. HandyCam's body was more just fitted for a filmmaking and cinema style camera. So with that, it came in with a built-in surround sound shotgun mic, professionalized lens and light cap, also a professional viewfinder. The display was a lot more smaller than most photography cameras at the time. It came with a viewfinder that definitely made it to where you could find your view. Now in 2014, Sony came out with this version of the HandyCam, which, as you can see, is a lot more closer to what we have today. And I think they just realized they had like Call of Duty Modern Warfare